When you first open up the Google Doc, what you want to do is type your name in. So you can erase the line and type in your name. Then you want to replace the pictograph title with your survey question. In this case, my survey question was, what is your favorite fruit? You can even bold it so that it stands out. And as you scroll down, you can see that there are 5 categories. And you want to replace that with your choices on your tally chart. So mine was apples, bananas, grapes, strawberries, and pears. And down here you can see every pictograph has a key. This one says 1, insert icon here represents blank. You want to replace this with an icon or a picture. So to do that, you can erase that and press insert, go to image, and we are going to search. So in this case, what I like to do is type in clip art, which will find you basic images, and then type in what you're trying to look for. I'm going to be searching for fruits because my survey is about fruits. So clip art fruits, click search, and you can scroll down to find an image that you like and that would best represent your pictograph. So I'm going to scroll down, and I really like this bag of fruits here. So it has watermelon. So I'm going to click on it. It has a check mark and press select. Once I press select, you can see that this picture is huge. It takes up almost a whole page. So you want to make it much smaller. So I'm going to press on the image and go over into the blue corner, click on it and hold it as I drag the corner so that it becomes smaller. And here you can see it's still a little big, so I'm going to go much smaller. You want it to be about the size of your font. So this looks really good. So right now I have 1 bag represents, and you can have it to represent 1 vote, 2 votes. In this case, I'm going to put 2 votes. Now you're ready to make your pictograph. You can start entering in your data. So looking at your tally chart, you can see how many apples you have and then enter in the appropriate amount of grocery bags. To do so, you don't want to waste your time going back to insert image and looking for that grocery bag. That would take a lot of time if you have a lot of people who participated in your survey. So you want to click on the image, go to edit, and press copy. This will have your computer remember the grocery bag. Now, if you have 4 people who voted for apples, you can go ahead, press edit, click paste, and the grocery bag will appear there. You can do it again, click paste, and there you go. You can go ahead and center your grocery bag so it looks nice. Once you're done with entering your data, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish mine off really quickly. You can see that the categories are shifting to the second page, but we can fix that really quick. You might even run into needing to crop an image because you have 5 votes and it's an odd number. So what you can do is paste in your grocery bag. It might sometimes help to even make the image a little bigger. And what you're going to do is you're going to crop it. So I'm going to right click on crop image, okay, and you're going to drag it so that it is only half of your grocery bag. So right there, if I click outside the box, it's only half of the grocery bag, and I can make it smaller. Right? So I have half a grocery bag to represent 5 people who voted for pairs. Now, as you can see, I have a lot of space up here, a lot of rows that I didn't need to use. So you can quickly just highlight those boxes with your cursor. Right click and you can delete the 16 rows. Now, most Pictograph doesn't have the lines, the horizontal lines. So what you can do to hide that is to highlight each column, click that arrow, and click on all those lines that are talking about the center lines, the inner border. So you click it, and then you can change the border color, and you're just going to turn it white, and it makes it look like it really doesn't exist. So you do that again, click on the inner border, change it white, same, repeat it for each column. Oops. Make sure you're not moving any of the images. Sometimes it can get a little tricky. And then I have one more to do. And there you go. You have a page graph that you created on Google Docs.